Hello students, good morning and welcome back to your computer class. Students, hope you are all doing well. As you know students, in live class I had taught you lesson 5, but it was literally an introductional video. So I am going to show you this picture page of lesson 5. Students, in this video I'll read this chapter which you have to read it again. Okay, lesson 5, mouse and input device. Mouse and input device. Yes students, as you know, mouse and keyboard, they are input devices. Okay, so here in this video you will be learning the same thing students. Here what is the synopsis of this chapter? Mouse and its types, flipping the right button and the left button of a mouse, functions of mouse buttons. So all these things you will be learning in this chapter. Okay, so let's start students. Students, now let's start lesson 5, and the title of my chapter is mouse. Yes, mouse and input device. So what you are going to learning here students? You will be learning over here mouse and its types, flipping the right button and left button of a mouse, functions of mouse buttons. Students, in live class I have already taught you, but again I am making this video in order to make you understand in better way. Okay, so all of you please watch this video thoroughly and carefully, as well as repeat it and revise it and read it loudly again. Let's start. A mouse is an input device. Of course everybody knows that mouse is an input device. It looks like a real mouse. Students, as you know, this mouse looks like a real mouse. It is small in size and has a tail which is attached to the CPU. ये रियल माउस की तरह दिखने वाला माउस है. जैसे रियल माउस की एक पूंछ होती है ना, ठीक वैसे in the same way it is also having a tail, and this tail has to be attached to the CPU. ये CPU से कनेक्ट होगा, ये कनेक्ट होने वाला वायर है. So it is called tail of mouse. Alright, now a mouse has 2 buttons. Students, please see this. Here 2 buttons are available on this mouse. The button on the left side of the mouse is called left button. Left side का बटन, यहाँ इस साइड में जो बटन है स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपका लेफ्ट बटन है. The button on the right side of the mouse is called right button, और ये right button is available here, so it is called right button. Students, see this. This is mouse pad, this is left button, and this is right button. The left button is used for left click and the right button is used for right click. Alright students, whenever we need to click left button, so we have to click this left button, and then if we need right button, so we have to use this right button. After clicking we will get result. A mouse helps us to move the pointer and draw pictures on the computer screen. So students, what does it do? It helps us to move the pointer and draw pictures on the computer screen. With the help of this mouse students, we can draw pictures and also select an item. Okay, now mouse pad. The mouse pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. It means students, as you can see, this is the mouse. I have already posted a video regarding this mouse students, computer mouse. So once again you just see, this is mouse and it is its tail, and there are two buttons on it and one scroll wheel. Okay, scroll wheel is in the middle of the left and right button. So see this, and if mouse pad is kept here, so I have to move this mouse on mouse pad. If I move the mouse likewise, students, so it will be shown in the computer screen likewise. ये ठीक वैसे ही दिखेगा स्क्रीन पे, मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे, जैसे हम इसे मूव करेंगे. आफ्टर कनेक्टिंग दिस वायर to the CPU, students, see this, it will start working. See, here you will see a red light, a red blinking light. Okay, so this is the signal of mouse that it is ready to do its work. So students, the mouse pad on which we move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. यानी जिस माउस पैड पे हम लोग माउस को मूव कराते हैं वो माउस पैड के नाम से जाना जाता है. As we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the arrow like pointer on the monitor also moves. यानी माउस पॉइंटर ठीक वैसे ही मूव करता है जैसे हम अपने माउस को माउस पैड पे मूव कराते हैं. This pointer is known as the mouse pointer. और इसी पॉइंटर को हम लोग माउस पॉइंटर के नाम से जानते हैं. Mouse pointers are of different types. Example, see students, these are the pictures of mouse pointers. As you have seen so far this one. So whenever we will have lab, students, I will show you rest. Okay, types of mouse. Now we are going to study about types of mouse, यानी mouse की प्रकार. A mouse can be of different types. Mouse भी कई तरह के हो सकते हैं. Two buttons mouse. See students, there are two buttons on it. Scroll mouse. Okay. See scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of the left and the right button. We can move a page up and down by moving the scroll wheel. When we use this scroll wheel, students, I would like to show you this mouse again. When we move this scroll wheel up and down in the same direction, our page of monitor will move up and down. Okay, if I move the scroll wheel up, so the page of monitor or document will go up. If I scroll it down, so the page of document will come down in this way. So this is called scroll wheel. A scroll mouse is of two types. Scroll wheel भी आपके दो तरह के हैं, देखते हैं. A ball mouse has a ball under it. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. यानी ये जो बॉल है स्टूडेंट्स, ये बॉल माउस ये माउस के अंदर अवेलेबल होता है और ये हमारे माउस पॉइंटर को स्क्रीन पे मूव कराने में हेल्प करता है. Now next is an optical mouse. An optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for movement of the mouse pointer. See this students, this mouse picture, this optical mouse. Students, there is a light instead of a ball. Ball की जगह पे यहाँ पे light दिया गया है माउस के पॉइंटर को मूव कराने के लिए. So students, till here you have to revise your chapter. In my next video I will teach you from here to till the end. So till then students, with this video you have to revise your chapter, you have to read it again thoroughly. All right, till then all of you please take care and thank you very much.